In this question, we are having three different equations. Let R1 is equal to x comma y such that 0 is less than is equal to y is less than is equal to x square plus 1. R2, this represents x comma y is such that 0 is less than is equal to y is less than is equal to x plus 1. R3, x comma y is such that 0 is less than is equal to x is less than is equal to 2. One thing. Now, region R1. Zero, or we can write it the equation y is equal to x square plus 1 represents an upward parabola with vertex zero comma 1. Points to be plotted on the graph paper x y is equal to x square plus 1 when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, when x is plus minus 1, y is 2, when x is plus minus 2, y is 5, and when x is plus minus 3, y is 10. Now, equation 0 is less than is equal to y is less than is equal to x square plus 1 represents shaded portion in the exterior of parabola and only in the first quadrant. Is it clear? Now, region R2. The equation y is equal to x plus 1 represents a straight line the equation y is equal to x plus 1 represents a straight line, okay. The equation 0 is less than is equal to y is less than is equal to x plus 1 represents the shaded portion below the line y is equal to x plus 1 up to x-axis in the first quadrant. Okay, now this is the line and shaded portion will be downwards till x-axis. Points to plot on graph. X, y, when x is 0, y is 1, when x is 1, y is 2, when x is 2, y is 3. Region 3. Sorry, region R3. X is equal to 2 represents a straight line parallel to y axis from 2, 0. Now, equation 0 is less than is equal to x is less than is equal to 2. Third one represents shaded part or a portion towards origin in first quadrant. Okay, so these are the three I have described: region 1, region 2 and region 3. Now, required area is equal to R1 intersection R2 intersection R3. Now, this is equal to required area is area of O, A, B, E plus area of B, E, D, C. So, this is the required area. Now, before proceeding for required area, we have left point of intersections. Okay, so I am sorry for this part. First I have done it. Now let me write point of intersection first. Now, point of intersections. Now, y is equal to x square plus 1 and y is equal to x plus 1. Now, y is x plus 1 is equal to x square plus 1, or we are getting x square minus x is equal to 0, x minus 1 is equal to 0, x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1. Now, when x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 1, and when x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. So, we are having for point this B parabola and a line. Now, they are meeting at 0, 1 and 1, 2. Okay. So, coordinates of A 0, 1, and coordinates of B 1, 2. Now points of intersection of y is equal to x plus 1 and x is equal to 2. So we are having when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. So point C, the coordinates of point C is 2, 3. Okay. Now I am going to write it now. Required area is equal to area of AOEB plus area of EDCBE. AOBEA. So these are the required areas. Now this is equal to now 0 to 1. 0 to 1 y of parabola dx plus 1 to 2 y of line dx. 0 to 1 y of parabola up to this part till x axis, and from 1 to 2 for this line. Okay. So what we are having now, 0 to 1 y of parabola x square plus 1 dx plus 1 to 2, it was x plus 1 dx. Now let us solve it. X cube upon 3 plus x 0 to 1 plus x square upon 2 plus x 1 to 2. Now this becomes 1 upon 3 plus 1 minus 0 plus 4 upon 2 plus 2 minus 1 upon 2 plus 1. Is it clear? Now this becomes 4 upon 3 plus 4 minus 3 by 2, and this can be written as, now after solving you can take the LCM, okay, or you can directly do it. So taking the LCM, this becomes now 8 plus 24 minus 9 upon 6, and this is equal to 23 upon 6 square units. Answer.